Good day. It's another day here at the off-grid cabin, and it is Boxing Day, and I just finished spending 2 days of Christmas with friends. We had an absolutely amazing Christmas, and I just got home and we have lots of snow once again. Since last week's video, you've seen I was shoveling lots of snow. We had a big snowstorm. I took my truck out. So since then, we had 2 days of rain and mild. We lost all of our snow pretty much. I ended up taking my skidoo back out the road, brought my truck back in, spent all week going back and forth. I left here Christmas Eve in the afternoon, and like I said, I had Christmas and just got home here now, and the cabin was about 1 degree when I got here, so I got the stove in lit, trying to warm up the cabin. I'm out here shoveling. We got about a foot of snow last night. We had a super big storm for Christmas Day, which was like an old-fashioned Christmas. It was actually nice. We got to enjoy it and relax, and it's calling for Storm 2 tonight. I got Mom and Mark heading over now shortly, and they're going to get here later this afternoon. I am going to take my truck out again and come back on skidoo, and hopefully this will be the last time she goes out and we get to keep our snow. And tomorrow morning, hopefully, we got lots more snow and we got lots of work to do and shoveling, and hopefully get for a snowshoe or something and make a day of it and get a video done for you guys for Sunday. So we'll see what tomorrow brings and how much snow we get, and we'll see you back here then. That's not all right. Doing, Zoe? Riley? So as you can see, we have loads and loads of snow. We spent all day yesterday shoveling, and it's still going again last night and today. And it's like another 1.5 to 2 feet on the bridge again. Everything has to get shoveled again. We've had back-to-back storms this week. It was Christmas week. I didn't get any filming done this week, so there won't be no video this week. Just give you guys a quick update of where we're to, and we have lots of snow now. I do have to go out the road shortly and see if I can get out to my truck on skidoo and get the parking lot cleared, and lots of shoveling to do here. Last week's video was all digging out, so I'm not going to do that again. Just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we will see you back here in 2026 for the new year here at Adventures Off Grid.
Love her new hoodies from Ashley Han.
And thanks for watching Adventures Off Grid.
Hey Ashley, just drop it in for a cup of tea in my new Adventures Off Grid thermos with my sweet Benjamin and his Adventures Off Grid baseball cap, and my sweet Holly and her Adventures Off Grid toque, and my new merch. Merry Christmas. Can't wait to come see you again in the summer and maybe even in the winter if we're lucky. And I just want to say to everybody out there, thanks for watching Adventures Off Grid.
Thanks for watching Adventures Off Grid.